Down in Ohio at Waynesfield Speedway. Haven't been here for a while. Usually come here. It's a lot of fun. Probably gonna be a long night because it's Memorial Day weekend and they got a lot of classes. Got the big boy ratchet out now. Thought you had some weight, but you don't, huh? Man, these are really nice. I like how you...
How far you want to go?
I think you need to go more than that.
It'll spring back quite a way.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Here, watch. You move. And then maybe try to, once it's got some pressure on it, try to just... It ain't gonna bend anymore. Maybe we should see how that is.
Yeah, we'll try that. I feel like we just went from 14 to 13.
I don't know.
Watch yourself over there. A little bit.
Move that much.
Get in like a wing car. Oh yeah, much better.
Better?
Much better. I kid you not, that other seat, I had to put my fucking arm underneath it, and I was just like, man, fuck it, let's put that other seat in it. This thing feels good. You really ought to hack this off. I feel like I could see more if you did. Oh yeah. That was a big help on the seat. Being comfortable and safe is important. I've never really had the money to really be in a spot to care about that. As long as my seat was in the car, that's all I really cared about. Now, I'm realizing I need seats because they're not very comfortable, and maybe it would help me drive better. Got done with qualifying, and man, we kind of got caught off guard there. Thought the wing cars were going first, and they were not. Car was way tight. We thought the track was going to be blown off from the wing cars, but because we went first, car was super tight. I think we ended up with 8th or 9th quick. See how that puts us in the heat. So the track was pretty gripped up, but it's also kind of going away. But this place is really fast. Modifieds, you can see, are going out. They're probably going to tear it up, so ultimately we put some more stagger in it, a little bit more tilt. Assume it's going to be hammered down. I ended up on the outside front row of the first heat, so getting ready to go out and see how this thing goes. Funny little story. So when I first moved here, probably 2010, I was driving for Paul Hazen. And Hazen came up here pretty much every Saturday night. That's how I became friends with Lane and Simon and Kyle Simon. Oh, Matt would kick my butt in the Simon 20. It was 22 back then. So 10 years later, maybe 13, down here at the races in the 22, 23 now. Kind of cool. Been doing this a long time. I think I got something for Matt tonight, though. ended up running second to Matt Westfall. So, man, place blew off. So we expected it to be rough and heavy, and they went and rolled the track in, gave it like a half hour to set, and then it just kind of like sealed it up, dried off, and it was slick. And I had like 13 inches of stagger out there. So car was just kind of free off the corner. We're gonna shake some stagger, raise the nose. Now it's just kind of Kyle's a local here, so he kind of knows what the track's gonna do. Man, his guess is better than mine, because reading the racetrack is really where it's at this point. Oh, a lot of time on the sprint car. Pretty much start on a 4 off all the way out. When it gets slick, you put a 5 off on, you leave it in the same spot. That moves it in an inch. That's pretty standard if you're gonna just go send it like me and Justin Grant, Bacon, Leary, Moles. Well, the sun has set on another day, and we are going to start, I believe he drew us a 4, so we should start 4th. Matt Westfall on the outside front row. Track is slick now, all the way up top, so aired down the right rear end, took some stagger out, raised the nose, all normal stuff. But hey, as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. About to get out there and go racing. Pretty good, but it's getting slick to the top. I feel like I'm gonna get better as the race goes on, and Matt might go away. He's already a little free. Oh yeah, got the dub. Oh, that's always so nice. You know how it is, you gotta make a living. Oh yeah, picked up the dub. And the work is never done. You can see Kyle getting everything ready to go wash. Take this thing to the car wash, get the thing washed up tonight. That way he doesn't have to go unload it tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.